back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Sydney. I am really trying to grow my channel, so you should definitely subscribe. For today's video, I am moving, so I wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough before I start moving a bunch of boxes in. So without further ado, let's get on with the tour. This is the front door where you enter, and then right here is the basement. And this is my living room. It's super cute. Thermostat's real nice and fancy. I have a little storage closet. I don't know if you wanted to show it. And then this is my bedroom. And then this is my closet. It's really small. The lights are super cute. And then right here we have another storage closet. And then this is my boyfriend Josh's room. And then in here is the bathroom. Sorry, the fan's on because the lights are on. I think the lights in here are so cute. Like, look how cute that is. So yeah, that's the bathroom. And then this way is the kitchen. I like that there's a little mirror right in front of the sink. And then this is where I'm gonna put like my dining room table and everything. And then out here is our back deck. I like how big it is. The neighbor's deck is right there, so hopefully we can be good friends with them, whoever they are. This is down to the basement. So for some reason, when we toured this place, it was fine, but now that I'm here, it literally reeks down here, and my brother thinks it's water damage. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I almost can't even stand being down here. But it's a really, really spacious room, as you can see. It's gonna be really cool to hang out in as long as we get the smell out. And how they're like orbs, like they're just like really cool looking. And then this is the laundry room. For some reason they gave us a free pencil sharpener, so that'll be really convenient. Kind of scary. We have a little Harry Potter closet back here. And then there's also this little, it looks like a torture room. It literally looks so scary. I'm gonna try and make it cute. I don't know though, because I think that this might be like, what is this? Styrofoam. I don't know. I honestly don't know what to do with this room. So yeah, that's just a little run through. So yeah, this is my new home. Welcome. I hope you like it. We're gonna start moving in some boxes. I'm out of breath. So I'm at the old apartment right now. It's 7 a.m. I'm exhausted. My body is so sore from carrying all the boxes yesterday, but I got a lot done. I still have a little bit more to go. Oh, and so that smell that I was so worried about yesterday, I ended up calling my management company, and they gave me a phone number to text after hours. So I ended up texting them. It turns out our sump pump is like overflowing, and we have to keep lifting it up to bring the water level back down. And so I don't think she quite understood the situation, because it's like overflowing to the point where there's water, a puddle of water overflowing under my dryer. We're gonna fix that on Monday, hopefully, and it's Saturday right now. But I would give you guys a little look of what my apartment is currently looking like, but I am literally throwing a bunch of random stuff in bins and boxes, and it looks super messy, but I'm just trying to get things done as quick as I can because I have so much stuff. I never want to move again. I need to get rid of stuff. So we're gonna just throw everything in my car and start there. So a lot has happened since I last spoke with you guys. I ended up not recording us moving at all because I have so much stuff. It was so hectic. It took hours. I just didn't want like to show how hectic everything was. So it is Monday now. So We were moving on Saturday. That's the last time I talked to you guys. I'm feeling a little emotional right now. It's really sad that I won't be living with my brother anymore. We didn't have the greatest year. It was fun and all, but with COVID, there were a lot of complications, and so I just wish that we could have lived together in better circumstances, but I really enjoyed the year with them, and I'm gonna miss them, and it's just really sad. But I'm excited about my new place, so yeah, I'm gonna head there now.